Greetings, Ima here, BIM trainer. A few days before, I posted this image in LinkedIn and the response was really nice. Thank you. And many people messaged me and asked how to develop this one. This is actually with the help of Autodesk Revit software, which is a BIM software. And this technique is called as massing to develop the conceptual model. Okay, so let us see how to do that. And you can see this is a circular stadium type of model. Okay, and here we can see the seating arrangement, the roof and the curtain system. So let us see that. So let me just go to the Revit, and here we can, this is the mass tools are available here. The massing logic behind that is like mass is a selection of space in a particular shape and size. So we will develop that form, that imaginary form, then we can convert it as a structure by adding floor, wall, roof, curtain system by selecting the faces. That is the technique. Okay, it's quite interesting also. So let me switch on the mass and let us create it. And as we found, so here this is the circular stadium and the cross section profile is same throughout. So what we have to do is we can create a circular path and the cross sectional profile, then we can ask Revit to develop the form. Let us see that. Okay, so let me go to the circle and here it is. Let be 20-meter radius. Then the next thing is the profile. Okay, but the profile should be perpendicular to this circular path. So I fixed a point. Let me set a working plane accordingly. Then let us start with the tool, with the sketch. So that is the seating. So let be 450 and coming straight 900. So let us click on this and let us copy. So this one, and this one. So 3 steps. Okay, so just 3 steps here. Then let me just complete it because it should be a closed profile. So let me just slightly go beyond this. Yeah, then we are coming up to this, and maybe I would like to give a curved profile over here. Yeah, like this. And here this is going to be the roof, and here I would like to give the curtain system. Okay, so like this. But Revit will not accept open profiles. So let us just offset this so that it will be easy to convert it as a closed profile. So let me just connect, and here let me just add a new line to convert it as a closed profile. Yeah, so now it's a closed profile and that profile is perpendicular to the circular path, right? So let me just select these two. Let us convert it as a solid form. Yeah, that's done. Then let us create two voids for entry. So let's just go for rectangle, and roughly I'm creating it. Okay, we can give the proper dimensions and all that. That's not a problem at all. Yeah, so let me select this, create form, void form. So here it is, and we can control the height. Okay, it is 3 meter. Let it be 2.5, or you can edit this value also. Okay, yeah, so this will be fine, right? Yeah, and in the other side also we need one. So let us just select the form. Yeah, let me use the mirror tool. Okay, so from the center we can take it. Yeah, so there it is, and let us have a check anyway. Yeah, so two openings, that's it. The mask is ready. So let us finish the mask. Now let us convert it as a structure by adding the different elements, okay, based on the face selection. So let us create these seatings with the help of the roof tool, and already I have created a floor type for that one. Then let it be, the faces is going to be the bottom of the roof. Okay, so that one, this and this one we can select. So let us ask to create. Yeah, it's done. Now let us come back, and this is the wall by face. We can choose the type, and here I'm clicking, and this face as a wall, this face also, and this face also. Then let us just come back. Let me just rotate so that it will be easy to work. Oh my god. Yeah, so let me just click here. Yeah, that has come. This one, and this one. Yeah, quite easy. Yeah, here also. So let me just click on that, and in this direction, here it is. Yeah, that is also. Then what about the outer? Okay, so let me just click on that. There is slight problem in joining. It's okay. So I will just create. Yeah, that's fine. Then this side also let us convert as a wall. Okay, so I will just come here and let us just click on this face. So that has come. Then this one also, we can just click on that. So that also got created. Yeah. Then here, let us create it as a roof. Okay, so the concrete roof is there. I have created already. Yeah, then let us just come back. So we have to select that faces. Okay, so the idea is like we are clicking on the faces, that faces will get converted into different elements. That's it. Yeah, this one and this one. Yeah, so create roof, that's also done. Now let us do the curtain system here. So again, just go back, curtain system is here, and let us just pick on the faces. Okay, so carefully we have to. So I will just click. No, it's not coming. Yeah, so let me just come here. Yeah, this one and this one. Yeah, let us ask to create the system. So it is getting created. Curtain system means it's a combination of the curtain panels, mullions, and all that. No, it's complex. That's why. And some of the elements, it's okay. Let us delete that. Yeah. So here it is done. Now let us switch off the mask. Yeah, it's fine. It's quite easy. Let us open the site. Let us create a site surface so that it will be nice. No, that appearance will be really nice. So let me just click. Yeah. Then let us. I will give finish. And let us apply the grass material for that. Yeah, it's already there. Let me give OK, escape. Then let us take a photograph. Okay, so let me just go to the camera and let it be like here comes the opening, right? Yeah, so let it be like we are going to sit here, okay, maybe in this step, and we are going to look into this direction. So I can just keep it like this. Yeah, here it is. Then adjust the frame, or you can adjust the heights also. Okay, so this one I'm doing like this, slightly up. So there it is. Yes, and this is the shaded mode, and this is the realistic mode. Okay, and we can fix the artificial lights. We can, it's very simple. You can just go to the components, and here the lights you can fix, artificial lights you can fix, and you can do the rendering. So the rendering can be done for daylighting as well as artificial lighting, or a combination of both. And Revit is providing very nice facilities for render in cloud also. So that is how I created these images. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We will meet again. Thank you once again.